Hello everyone. In the previous class we discussed about functions of Golgi bodies. Today's topic is lysosomes. This is another cell organelle. Lysosomes are first discovered by Christian De Duve. Discovered by Christian De Duve. Christian De Duve. Okay. He discovered lysosomes in liver cells. He discovered lysosomes in liver cells. Lysosomes are absent in prokaryotic cells. Lysosomes are absent. They are absent in prokaryotes or prokaryotic cells. They are found in eukaryotic cells. Lysosomes are found in eukaryotic cells. Found in eukaryotic cells. In eukaryotic cells, generally they are found in eukaryotes, but exceptionally they are absent in some fungi. Some fungi, except some fungi. Fungi like yeast and neurospora. In these organisms, in these fungi, lysosomes are absent. Okay, and they are also absent in protists like euglena. In euglena also lysosomes are absent. They are also absent in mature mammalian RBCs. Or understand? They are absent in prokaryotic cells, but they are found in eukaryotic cells. In coming to eukaryotic cells, they are exceptionally absent in some organisms. Like in fungi, yeast and neurospora, lysosomes are absent. In the protist, euglena does not contain lysosomes. Next, in RBCs also, mature mammalian RBCs also, lysosomes are absent. Next, coming to their number, lysosomes number. Their number is generally varied in different parts of organisms and different organisms. They are varies or variable in number, and their number is very high in actively dividing cells like meristematic cells. They are mostly, and their number is very high in meristematic cells, and they are also found in WBC, white blood cells. In these also their number is very high. Next, coming to shape of the lysosomes. Shape. Generally their shape is spherical. They are spherical in shape. That means they are round in shape. And each lysosome is bounded with a membrane. This is membrane. Inside the membrane, matrix is present. Inner to the membrane, matrix. This is matrix is present. Okay. Based on the nature of matrix present inside the membrane, these lysosomes are again classified into 4 types. Understand? There are 4 types. I am writing here 4 types. What are those 4 types? In that, first one, primary lysosomes. Second type is secondary lysosomes. Third type, tertiary lysosomes. And fourth one is autophagy. Autophagocytes. Autophagocytes, otherwise they are also called autolysosomes. Autolysosomes. These four types of lysosomes are present based on the nature of matrix. In that, first one, primary lysosomes. These primary lysosomes have inactive enzymes. They have inactive enzymes. Inactive enzymes. They are filled with inactive enzymes. And secondary lysosomes. These secondary lysosomes have active enzymes. Active enzymes. And third type, tertiary lysosomes have undigested food materials. Undigested food. Okay. We can also understand the difference between these three types of lysosomes. For example, I am drawing here. This is a cell. Inner to the cell, lysosomes are present. These are lysosomes. They are filled with hydrolytic enzymes. Outer to the cell, food materials are present. These food materials are come inside inner to the cell by the process of endocytosis. These are the food materials, food particles. These food particles come into the cell by the process of endocytosis. Then by the process of endocytosis, food material is entered. These are the primary lysosomes. Inactive enzymes are present in the primary lysosomes. Next, these primary lysosomes come into contact with food particles. These are lysosomes. They are coming to contact with food particles. Then these lysosomes are called secondary lysosomes. Primary lysosomes have inactive enzymes. When the primary lysosomes come into contact with food particle, then it is called secondary lysosomes. Then what happens? These hydrolytic enzymes are work on the food particles. Then after, nutrients are absorbed by body. After that, undigested materials are present inner to the lysosomes. After absorbing food substances, minerals from food particles, undigested material is present in the lysosomes. That type of lysosomes are called tertiary lysosomes. Tertiary lysosomes. And coming to fourth type. Fourth type is autophagocytes or autolysosomes. When the cells are infected, any cell in the plant body or animal body is infected by pathogens or other poisonous substances, then these lysosomes releases some enzymes. Leading to these enzymes, the cell becomes dead. They work like death causing agents. That's why they are called suicidal bags of cells. Suicidal bags of cell. Or you understand? Autophagocytes or autolysosomes are nothing but they are the suicidal bags. When the cell is infected, they releases some hydrolytic enzymes that cause the death of entire cell. Next, these lysosomes have mainly 6 types of enzymes. How many types? Mainly 6 types of enzymes. Lysosomes have 6 types of enzymes. What are those enzymes? Number one is proteases. Number 2, nucleases. Number 3, esterases. esterases. Number 4, phosphatases. Phosphatases. And number 5, sulfatases. Sulfatases. Number 6, glycosidases. Glycosidases. These 6 types of enzymes are found in the lysosomes. The main function of lysosomes is nothing but digestion of food materials. They break down the bonds between food particles. Here, proteases. Proteases break they break down proteins. They are useful in breakdown of proteins. Are you understand? Next, nucleases. Nucleases are again 2 types: DNAase and RNAase. They digest nucleic acids. Proteases digest proteins. Nucleases digest nucleic acids. Esterases breaks the ester bonds, and phosphatases involved in the breakdown of phosphate bonds. Like that, sulfatases also break down the sulfur bonds. Glycosidases break down the glycosidic bonds. These 6 types of enzymes are present in the lysosomes. Next, coming to functions. Functions of lysosomes. Coming to functions, lysosomes are involved in heterophagy. Heterophagy, and second one, autophagy. And third type is autolysis. Third function. This is third function. And fourth function is destroying carcinogenic agents. And it also involved in defense mechanism. Okay, these are the main functions of lysosomes. What is mean by heterophagy? Heterophagy is nothing but digestion of food from outside of the cell. Outside food. Nothing but pathogens. They are involved in digestion of pathogens. Next, autophagy. Autophagy is nothing but digestion of reserve food material. Reserve food. Next, coming to autolysis. Autolysis is nothing but they act like suicidal bags. When the cells are infected, they releases enzymes. Those enzymes cause the death of cells. That is nothing but autolysis. Next, they are also involved in destroying of carcinogenic agents, and lysosomes are involved in defense mechanism. By the above 4 points, we will understand that they are involved in defense mechanism. This is about lysosomes and their types and their functions. In the next class, I will come with another cell organelle. Thank you.